Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that OpenEden token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, OpenEden operates a leading real-world asset RWA tokenization platform renowned for its unmatched focus on revolutionary standards and advanced financial technology. Founded in 2022, OpenEden bridges traditional and decentralized finance by providing through its regulated entities in the BVI and Bermuda's secure, transparent, and compliant on-chain access to tokenized RWA. OpenEden is redefining financial access through tokenization with a core focus on compliance and innovation. OpenEden token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 183.87 million EDEN token. EDEN token is listed on Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.